Are you feeling lost in the buzz about shadow work? You're not alone. It's everywhere, but what does it even mean? Is it some mystical journey or a dangerous dive into the unknown? Relax, we're here to demystify it all. Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the secrets of shadow work and guide you through the journey of self-discovery. Get ready to embark on a transformative adventure that will illuminate the darkest corners of your psyche. No more confusion, no more doubts, just clarity and empowerment. Whether you're a skeptic or a seeker, we've got the map to navigate your inner landscape. Join us as we delve deep into the realms of self-awareness and unlock the hidden potential within you. Get ready to embrace the light within the shadows. Let's begin. Dive into the depths of your psyche and uncover the enigmatic realm of your shadow self. What lies beneath the surface is a reservoir of suppressed emotions, buried memories, and untapped potential. Your shadow self is the clandestine guardian of your darkest secrets, harboring the pain, shame, and trauma you've long tried to evade. But fear not. For understanding your shadow self is the key to unlocking profound self-awareness and unleashing your true power. As Carl Jung elucidated, those who shroud their shadow selves in secrecy only deepen their darkness. It's a journey into the labyrinth of your subconscious, where the echoes of childhood conditioning reverberate through your adult decisions. Between the formative ages of 0 to 7, your psyche absorbs the influences of family, friends, and society, shaping the contours of your identity. Yet, amidst the shadows, lies the opportunity for transformation. By confronting your shadow self, you illuminate the path to integration and liberation. Embrace the discomfort, for it is the crucible in which resilience is forged and authenticity emerges. Join us on a voyage of self-discovery as we navigate the complexities of the human psyche and illuminate the path to wholeness. Unravel the mysteries of your shadow self and embark on a journey of profound personal growth. It's time to confront the shadows and reclaim your light. Embark on the journey of self-discovery through shadow work. It's the art of confronting the hidden aspects of your psyche, unearthing buried emotions and traumas. Dive deep into the subconscious, unraveling the mysteries of your identity and beliefs. Who are you, really? Why do you perceive life the way you do? By exploring the shadows of your past, you'll unlock profound insights and reclaim your power. It's time to embrace the discomfort and unleash your true potential. Unlock the power of shadow work with a compelling example. Imagine person A, shaped by a childhood overshadowed by a selfish mother. Constantly neglected and criticized for needing help, person A internalized the belief that vulnerability was weakness. Now, as an adult, they struggle to express emotions, feeling burdened by their own needs. But this isn't just their personality, it's a product of deep-rooted conditioning. Shadow work unveils these hidden wounds, offering a path to healing and self-discovery. By confronting the shadows of our past, we reclaim control over our behaviors and beliefs. It's a journey of transformation, where we dismantle self-sabotage and embrace our true selves. Through shadow work, we unravel the layers of conditioning, emerging stronger and more empowered than ever before. Dare to delve into the depths of your psyche and unleash the potential within. Delve into the depths of shadow work, where the journey to self-discovery is both exhilarating and daunting. Confronting your deepest fears and repressed traumas isn't inherently dangerous, but it's not for the faint of heart. As you peel back the layers of your subconscious, you may unearth buried pain and unexpected challenges. For the vulnerable, this journey can be exhausting and overwhelming, yet the rewards are unparalleled. By rewiring your subconscious mind, you initiate a profound transformation, reshaping your behaviors and beliefs. But it requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to face discomfort head-on. Shadow work isn't just about confronting demons, it's about reclaiming your power and healing old wounds. As you navigate this journey, expect shifts in habits, relationships, and self-perception. While it's not inherently dangerous, it's crucial to proceed with caution, especially if you're vulnerable. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, seek support from a trusted professional. Embrace the challenges, for within them lies the key to profound growth and healing. Are you ready to embark on this transformative voyage into the depths of your soul? Embark on the journey of shadow work and unlock the secrets to a more fulfilling life. But how do you know if it's time to dive into the depths of your psyche? Look out for these telltale signs. 1. Mental health struggles like depression and anxiety are often signals that your shadow self is calling out for attention. It's time to listen and explore what lies beneath the surface. 2. Negative subconscious chatter dominates your inner dialogue, perpetuating feelings of unworthiness and despair. Break free from the cycle by shining a light on your shadow self. 3. Constant stress weighs heavily on your shoulders, even over minor inconveniences. It's a sign that unresolved issues are simmering beneath the surface, waiting to be addressed. 4. Generalized sadness and a lack of passion permeate your days, leaving you feeling adrift and unfulfilled. Dive into shadow work to reignite the spark within and reclaim your zest for life. 5. Feeling stuck and unhappy despite outward success is a clear indicator that internal healing is needed. Don't let self-sabotage hold you back any longer. Confront your shadow self and break free from limitations. 6. Engaging in destructive behaviors such as excessive substance use or risky activities is often a coping mechanism for underlying pain. It's time to heal from within and cultivate healthier ways of coping. Recognize these signs as invitations to embark on the transformative journey of shadow work. By facing your shadows head-on, you pave the way for profound healing and self-discovery. Unlock the transformative power of shadow work and embrace a journey of self-discovery and healing. Dive deep into the depths of your psyche and unearth a treasure trove of benefits. 1. Greater self-awareness. Illuminate the hidden aspects of your being, gaining insight into your true self. 2. Master your subconscious chatter. Liberate yourself from negative self-talk and cultivate a positive inner dialogue. 3. Reconnect with yourself. Forge a deeper bond with your innermost desires and emotions. 4. Heal past trauma. Release the shackles of the past and embark on a path of emotional liberation. 5. Boost physical and mental energy. Shed the weight of unresolved issues and embrace newfound vitality. 6. Experience a general sense of calm. Navigate life's challenges with poise and serenity. 7. Handle day-to-day situations with ease. Respond to life's ups and downs with resilience and grace. 8. Understand your needs. Gain clarity on your desires and priorities, paving the way for personal growth. 9. Establish healthy boundaries. Protect your well-being and cultivate balanced relationships. 10. Enhance creativity. Tap into your creative potential and unlock new levels of inspiration. Shadow work isn't just self-therapy, it's a transformative journey toward wholeness and empowerment. Embark on the journey of shadow work armed with powerful tools to illuminate the shadows within. Start by exploring modalities such as unblocking chakras, engaging in breath work, and journaling with shadow work prompts. These techniques provide a gateway to confronting your shadows and unraveling the root causes of your challenges. By delving into these practices, you'll peel back the layers of subconscious programming and gain clarity on your inner landscape. Embrace the opportunity to dive deep, for within the shadows lies the key to profound self-discovery and transformation. 1. Unlock the power within by unblocking your chakras and delving into the depths of your shadow self. The 7 chakras serve as portals to our emotional and energetic centers, guiding us on a journey of self-discovery and healing. Start with the root chakra, located at the base of the spine, where issues of safety, survival, and belonging reside. If feelings of anxiety or insecurity plague you, it's a sign that your root chakra is blocked and in need of attention. By addressing each chakra in turn, from the most primal instincts to higher states of consciousness, you'll embark on a transformative path towards emotional balance and spiritual growth. Dive deep into the shadows, confront your fears, and emerge stronger, more grounded, and fully aligned with your true self. 2. Harness the transformative power of breathwork to unlock the depths of your shadow self. By consciously controlling your breath, you signal to your brain that you are safe, activating the parasympathetic nervous system and fostering emotional regulation. This allows for the release of stored emotions, granting access to parts of the subconscious mind previously inaccessible. Explore various breathwork techniques such as pranayama, somatic, holotropic, shamanic, and chakra breathwork to unearth trauma and facilitate shadow work. As you lengthen and deepen your breath, you invite a sense of calm and clarity, paving the way for profound healing and self-discovery. Are you ready to embark on this journey of inner exploration and transformation through the simple yet powerful act of breathing? 3. Unlock the potential of journaling and shadow prompts as your allies in the journey of self-discovery and healing. Pouring your thoughts onto paper is a potent tool for processing emotions and unraveling subconscious patterns. Dive deep into your stream of consciousness, asking probing questions to challenge old beliefs and unearth hidden truths. As you engage in this introspective practice, you'll uncover insights about yourself that may surprise you. The act of journaling allows for reflection and growth, offering a snapshot of your evolving journey over time. Don't underestimate the power of putting pen to paper. It's a simple yet profound way to navigate the complexities of your inner world. Final thoughts. Embark on the transformative journey of shadow work with courage and compassion. While not inherently dangerous, it's a profound and sometimes daunting exploration of the subconscious. Delving into repressed trauma may unearth deep-seated wounds, but through this process, healing and transformation await. Embrace the challenges, for within the shadows lies the key to unlocking your fullest potential and living a life of authenticity and empowerment.